rcaddict. I'm sorry to leave you hanging in the last video. I needed some sleep. I mean, it's like, you know, when I got out there just now, it was like 5:30 in the morning, so it was still dark. Yeah, I mean, it's still dark now, it's just my camera, you know, you see all the car lights on, you know, it's so I'm sorry to leave you hanging, but I was knackered and needed some sleep anyway. Right, I just wanted to show you, it's actually getting a bit lighter now, but you can see all the cars, they've still all got their lights on, yeah? The V3 camera, 720p standard, low, really low light. The 3 DNR is absolutely beautiful. It's on auto. Oh, well, it looked beautiful. Now, I've got a new name for you guys. Latency snobs. Okay? Because I'm not the best pilot, but I do fly fast. And seriously, guys, I can't notice a damn bit of difference. If you're going to build a drone, man, this drone with the Mamba controller and the you're right, Mamba F740 all in one, and the frame, how stiff it is, mouse FPV tune, it is. I've honestly never flown a drone like it. It's just, there's no bobble, there's no prop wash, there's nothing. And this, even though the lux on this is 0.0001, it's not got another zero anyway. It can see in the dark anyway. Check this out and some more badass bass.
How much do you want me to say this? Buddy.
Magpies, 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl and 4 for... Ah, shit.